In this tutorial, we're going to look at how you can update a property status and explain what each property status means. When you're on a property, you'll see over on the right hand side of the screen, you'll have a button that says Update Status. On the main image, you will see a blue box which will tell you what status the property is currently at. So this property is currently at potential, and if you want to change this, you can hit the Update Status option. Now in the Update Status option, you will see that there are several different statuses that you can choose from. A prospect means that this is a property that you do not know the owner for. A potential is someone you've met that you have not appraised, or someone who has purchased a property off you. An appraisal is obviously someone you've been out to and seen the property and appraised. The listed status is used when the property is listed. Exchange is when you have the property sold unconditionally. Settlement is on the day it settles, and taken off the market is for when the property is to come offline. If we wanted to update this property from potential to an appraisal, we select that status and then select Update, and you will now see that this property has the appraised status on the main image, letting us know that this is now an appraisal.